The RAD Housing Waitlist, or Rental Assistance Demonstration, is a HUD program for 1,060 condominiums and townhouses from efficiencies through 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms that are owned, operated, and maintained by the county. They're formerly public housing, and they are available for leasing by people who need safe and affordable housing in the region. The waitlist is open from July 10th through July 23rd, and people who apply can apply at any time during that 2-week period. They do not have to apply at the beginning. Anytime they have the same chance. The RAD housing waitlist applications are being taken entirely online. It is from any internet-connected device at any time during that 2-week application period. If they need an internet-accessible device, any publicly accessible internet computer, such as at libraries, can be used to apply. The county will have 29 events throughout the county where trained staff will be on hand to assist people. There are no requirements to apply to the housing waitlist. If someone is selected to the waitlist, once they become close to the top of the waitlist, the county will run eligibility screens. For more information about the RAD Public Housing Waitlist, please visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/housing/waitlist.